What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today I am out here in beautiful Denver, Colorado, and we're going to be showing you guys a sweet patio space where we put in some speakers, Sonos, whole house audio. I actually made a bunch of videos on this project. If you guys are one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get into this system. First things first, you guys all have a home where you want to entertain and not tick off the neighbors. This is the key, I would say, ingredient to having a really great distributed audio system, enjoying the crystal clear clarity, as well as not bothering the neighbors. In this situation, check it out. We literally have neighbors right there. Then we have neighbors right there. This is downtown. So what we did is broke it up into a few different zones. You can see right here on the deck, we have Episode 8-inch all-weather speakers. I love these guys. Really great manufacturer, amazing service, lifetime warranty, really hard to beat. And we did one pair. So the way the system works, this particular system is an 8-ohm system, and everything's just running back to Sonos amps, which are downstairs. So we got a couple little speakers here, so for when you're chilling outside, you know, hanging out, relaxing, you can turn those on independent, and I'll show you that right here from the app. You can come right to the room that you're in. For example, I have these outside ones grouped together and the master suite, which I'll show you that too. You can independently turn the volume up and down for each one, as well as the source, completely independent. So I'm going to show you out here on the deck. You can go right to so you can hear even way out here, you know, you can control the audio and the source, absolutely no problem. So we're gonna go ahead and turn these down. I'm gonna take you inside and show you this area. So this is a pretty cool space. You can see the customer moved in, so he doesn't really have the furniture yet, but you got this little bar area. And again, you can completely independently control these speakers as well. So I just turned them off. But you can be sitting here, you know, entertaining your guests, pouring some cocktails, get the vibe going, just like that. And I'll take you downstairs so that you can see the master too, to see how it just flows through the whole house, really giving you that party vibe. Let's go. So you guys can see, you know, we even threw them in the master. We actually put them throughout this entire home, which I'll make a separate video on, so you guys can check that out if you're interested. But for this one, what do you guys think? Pretty good solution, huh? We have been using Sonos for years and years and years, and I really believe in the product. I think it's just extremely easy to use, pretty cost effective, and the products, probably one of my big things with them is that all of the products from like 10 years ago still integrate into the system. So they're not gonna just come out with a new model and leave you hanging. Pretty sweet. If you guys liked it, let me know what you think down below. Give me a big old thumbs up. And if you aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. We do carry all of these products, and we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. This project here is out in Denver. We are now serving the Colorado market, getting tons of jobs. We can give you guys some more inspiration and keep growing the business throughout the country. We appreciate all of you guys calling in. We do consult at no cost. We just ask that you buy your products from us with that nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.